Hello, I'm Sam Faulkner from the United States, state of Ohio. What we're going to discuss today is the ASP rock and lock technique with the handcuffs. Handcuffs are held in a full hand grip. We then secure the individual who's going to be handcuffed. The cuff is placed on the wrist, pushed on so it locks. If it doesn't lock, then we would go ahead and secure it. Then the second handcuff is placed on again, rock and lock. Handcuffs are then gapped to make sure that they are the appropriate tightness. We would then use our key to double lock the handcuffs so they won't get any tighter. Now the individual is ready to be searched and transported.